Hello subscribers, welcome to the Fast Profits Daily. I am Brijesh Bhatia. US markets have been trending bullish as of now. Dow Jones have been on a positive note for last couple of days, though it was nearly 0.5%. But at the same time, IT index are losing its momentum, and Nasdaq is down by nearly or over 4% in last couple of days. We saw around 1.8, 1.9% yesterday. Day before yesterday, it was down by over 2%. So 4% negative momentum where the stocks like Meta has been falling, or the Facebook has been on a negative note. Amazon has been in the news for quite long. Apple has been in the news for quite long. But do they indicate the buying at current point in time, or should you buy the stocks like Apple or the Meta? Let's look at the IT basket first, which is the well-known FANG we generally indicate as F for Facebook, A for Apple, A for Amazon, N for Netflix, and G for Google, or the alphabet as of now. So these FANG stocks into the Nasdaq have a huge weightage. If I just cumulative everything, all the five stocks, they tend to be around 10, 20-22%. So if I just look at the stock to stock weightage, Facebook or Meta, which is the new name, comprises of around 2.7%, Apple around 13.8, 14%, Amazon around 7%, Netflix around 1.2%, and the Google or the new alphabet, the name is around somewhere around 3.5%. So if I just sum up, it's somewhere around 20-22% weightage. So let's look at these chart, how they indicate, because it put the pressure on the Nasdaq if in case they trend negative, which will equivalently put a pressure on Indian IT stocks as well. And we have seen Indian IT been struggling to come back, but though the slow and steady momentum has been on a positive side. And we'll look at some of the stocks which will be helping Nasdaq and indirectly onto the IT index. And if you remember, I've done a video for Diwali, two sectors where I believe it should be a good time to invest. Is the one of it's the IT. I'll be discussing one IT chart or the update of that chart into the this video. So let's start with the FANG. First is the F, or the Facebook or Meta. And if you look at, this is one of the most bearish chart into the FANG basket. We have seen a major breakdown coming onto the stock at around $150-$120 mark, and it's been trending on a negative side now. So a major breakdown on weekly scale seems a slightly bearish. And if I just look at the weights of the Facebook, it's around 2.7% mark, which is slightly a good if I just look at the Nasdaq basket. Second, Apple. If I just look at, it's been consolidating in a good support area with the launch of 14 and 14 series Apple. I think there could be a revival in this stock depending on the success of the launch or the sales. But yes, the stock technically seems to be a good position where the momentum seems that the 120, 130 or probably $140 mark will be acting as a major support zone. If you look at the red two lines on your screen, they indicate that yes, the momentum seems slightly at the support area. Amazon, the next A, amazingly at the support area. This is a weekly chart. Look at the multiple support has been tracking the red line. Now again at the support area, I believe this support could hold on to the Amazon, and it's one of the, I believe, a good risk reward trade as an investment if you want to look at. And in case if these levels are held on to the Amazon, I believe we may see a huge uptick coming onto the stock, because it's a long term support area. We have been testing around 2018-19 levels again onto the Amazon, and we may see a comeback onto the stock. And Netflix, this is one of the best reversal on the long term chart, you can say, as per the technical analysis. Look at right from 2003, the red line, the circle mark is 2003 low, the second circle mark is 2012-13 low, and back in again the retest hasn't happened. We are witnessing a positive momentum from the trend line support. it indicates that yes, the momentum seems very strong. And if you look at the post consolidation, the next leg of rally indicates the confirmation of the recent low should be in place, and this could lead, though the weightage into the Nasdaq is around 1.2%, may not impact much. But yes, the FANG basket, Netflix could be one of the leading or outperforming stock into this basket. So yes, look at this Netflix, amazing set of structure. Technically, I believe yes, this is one of the best investment into the IT space if you want to look into the American stocks. Google or Alphabet, the similar structure of what the Netflix is indicating, but yes, we are yet to witness the reversal coming into this stock. So yes, at the support of the rising trend line right from 2008-2009 low, retested back in 2020 lows, and now if I just look at the trend line indicates yes, the support is been on cards for Google or Alphabet. So this is the FANG basket, which indicates apart from Meta, which is the Facebook, we are not witnessing any breakdown coming in these stocks. So yes, the structure seems very exciting for FANG stocks. And as I said, 22% weightage into the Nasdaq basket seems, if in case apart from Meta, we see another Apple, Alphabet, Amazon, Netflix stocks been reversing. We may see, because Amazon, the Apple holds around 14%, 13.8 to be precise, weightage into the Nasdaq, and that reversal could again take Nasdaq onto the higher levels. Then look at the Nasdaq chart, the monthly chart on your screen. If I just look at this monthly chart, look at this rising trend line, the red line. Prices have taken support around these trend line over a year. Right from 2008-9 lows, back in 2020 lows, and again it's been retested, showing sign of momentum. If you look at the last few weeks, we tested 10,400, 500, back toward 11,600 level, though we have seen a couple of days of 4% down. But yes, if I just look at this monthly chart, and we are yet to close this monthly chart today, and if we hold this monthly chart, we may see a reversal coming on to the Nasdaq as well. If I use the top-down approach and look at the daily chart, if I just look at, this is the Wyckoff theory, and if you remember, I have done a video onto the why I believe Nasdaq is bottoming out, and the sector of December 2017 is the IT, and I have highlighted this chart as well over here. And if you remember, I have highlighted this upper band of around 11,600, and then a retest of LBS, which is the last point of support, which is currently placed at around 10,900, 11,000 levels. I believe that support can, and it is moving as per the textbook Wyckoff theory, the Nasdaq chart. Preliminary selling climax. We saw the ST1, which is support 1, support 2, and then the shakeout happen, or the spring happen. Look at the reversal has been seen. We have seen a red line 11,600, which I have highlighted in the video, as well. Retesting of last point in support, I think 10,900, 11,000 can be expected, and I'm expecting reversal coming up from those levels. What could lead? As I said, Apple could lead the rally, Amazon could lead the rally, Netflix could lead the rally, Alphabet is at the crucial support zone. Apart from Meta, I believe yes, all these stocks have the potential to take Nasdaq higher, and this is the one I strongly believe. Probably next 2 to 3 months, Nasdaq could be at the higher levels. Probably I'm expecting 12,500, 12,800 in the coming couple of months. From 10,900, 11,000 level can be tested at LPS till it holds the current swing low. Probably I'm expecting 12,500, 12,800 levels coming into next 2 to 3 months. Why I'm highlighting? Because if you look at the Indian IT stocks as well, they are showing some sign of reversal. But yes, still the index is, I have highlighted the resistance of 29,500 can be a major hurdle for bulls into the Nifty IT index. So let's look at the Nifty IT index chart over here. And if I just look at again this resistance, the red, if I look at the red bar over here, the rectangle structure, it's been resisting around this zone. The gap area plus the previous swings gap is very important to surpass, which is 29,500, 29,600 levels. Once these levels are crossed, I believe we may see a level. Probably if in case Nasdaq retests the LPS, I believe we may see a LPS retest coming onto the IT index as well, which is somewhere around 27,500. So keep a watch on these 27,500, 27,000 levels. The momentum can be expected at the higher levels into the IT index. With the Netflix going higher, I believe IT index is also getting ready for the upward momentum into the structure. So keep a watch on this. I believe the FANG stocks, apart from Meta, can lead Nasdaq onto the higher side, and indirectly, we are the follower of Nasdaq, the IT index. We may see IT index coming back very, very strongly, and you should not miss the rally. Once the LPS happen and the reversal comes into the IT index, look for the outperforming stocks which could lead IT index higher. Signing off, Brijesh Patia.